Part 6. How can qualitative researchers address the issues of validity and reliability? This is the focus of final part of Chapter 11. It may be quite difficult to evaluate the validity and reliability of a qualitative research study, as this type of research is characterized by its flexibility, openness, and unstructuredness. As Kumar notes, in qualitative research, as answers to research questions are explored through multiple methods and procedures which are both flexible and evolving, to ensure standardization of research tools as well as processes becomes difficult. Nevertheless, Denzin and Lincoln, 1994, propose what they call trustworthiness, meaning that the qualitative method used in the study is trustworthy or can be trusted. They identify 4 indicators of trustworthiness: credibility, transferability, dependability, and confirmability. There has been an effort to pair up validity and reliability in quantitative research with the 4 indicators of trustworthiness. You may pause this video if you need more time to inspect them. Next, we're going to talk about these 4 indicators in some detail. As you know, the first indicator of trustworthiness in qualitative research is credibility. This involves ensuring that the findings of the qualitative study is credible or believable from the perspective of the participants. How can we judge the credibility? We look at the extent of your participants' agreement with your findings. That's why it is crucial to send to your participants your analyses and interpretations of the collected data, so that they can help confirm that your analyses and interpretations best reflect their perspectives on the issues being explored. Please note that the higher the agreement of the respondents with the findings, the higher the validity of the study. This is the second indicator of trustworthiness. Transferability is defined as the degree to which the results of qualitative research can be generalized or transferred to other contexts or settings. For example, after a practice has been thoroughly explored in one institution, if the findings can be applied in a similar institution, that is transferability. Kumar suggests that achieving transferability can be really hard, especially when the study is to be replicated by future researchers. Nevertheless, transferability, in the sense of replicating a research study, can be achieved to some extent if the research process is extensively and thoroughly described. Dependability is the third indicator. Dependability is concerned with whether we would obtain the same results if we could observe the same thing twice. A simple example is that 2 similar studies with the same objectives yield the same or similar findings about an issue. Once again, it is suggested that the researchers need to keep an extensive and detailed record of the process for others, in the second research study, to replicate so as to ascertain the level of dependability. Simply put, when different researchers conduct a study with the same objectives, they can follow all the steps described in the previous study, so that the results can be comparable. The last indicator is confirmability. This is defined as refers to the degree to which the results could be confirmed or corroborated by others. This is similar to the concept of reliability in quantitative research. And again, to ensure the confirmability of research findings, the latter researchers need to follow the previous research process in an identical manner so that the new findings can confirm the old ones. That's why the detailed description of the research process is of paramount importance. To sum up, so far we have learned about validity, which is defined as the degree to which the researcher has measured what he has set out to measure. 5 types of validity have also been discussed: face validity, content validity, predictive validity, concurrent validity, and construct validity. Reliability has been discussed too. Reliability is defined as an instrument's ability to provide similar results when used repeatedly under similar conditions. To ensure the reliability of a research instrument, we can use 3 procedures: test-retest, parallel forms, and split-half technique. In qualitative research, trustworthiness is the concern. Trustworthiness can take the form of credibility, transferability, dependability, and confirmability. You've done a great job to come to the end of Chapter 11. Fruitful learning.